Paragraph structure and development. To excel in IELTS essay writing, one must adeptly organize thoughts within paragraphs. Here, I offer an extensive guide on developing key points in paragraphs tailored for IELTS essays, focusing on the use of specific and general topic sentences. Paragraphs with one main idea use a specific topic sentence. A specific topic sentence clearly outlines the main idea of a paragraph. This approach is highly effective for opinion essays, as it allows the reader to immediately grasp the central argument of the paragraph, ensuring clarity and coherence. Characteristics. 1. Precision. The topic sentence directly states the main idea, which is subsequently elaborated upon with examples and explanations. 2. Focus. Maintains the reader's focus on a single line of argument, enhancing the overall persuasiveness of the essay. Example. In an essay on the benefits of working from home, a specific topic sentence might be, "The main benefit of working from home is that it saves time." This is then supported by detailing how commuting time is eliminated, illustrated by personal anecdotes or statistical data. Advantages. 1. Clarity. It makes the paragraph's purpose immediately clear to the reader. 2. Ease of organization. Simplifies the structure of the paragraph, making it easier to write and follow. Writing a complete paragraph using a specific topic sentence. Start with a specific topic sentence. Your paragraph should begin with a specific topic sentence that states the main idea clearly. This sentence sets the direction for the paragraph and tells the reader what to expect. It should be concise and focused. Example topic sentence. The main benefit of working from home is that it saves time. Expand with explanation. After presenting the topic sentence, expand on this idea by explaining how it works or why it is important. This explanation should logically flow from the topic sentence and start to build the foundation for your supporting details. Explanation. In particular, it eliminates the need for a daily commute to an office. Illustrate with an example. Examples are vital as they provide concrete evidence to support your explanation. They make your argument more credible and easier for the reader to understand. For example, due to COVID lockdowns, I'm now working from home and I save over 2 hours per day by not having to commute to my office. Example paragraph. The main benefit of working from home is that it saves time. In particular, it eliminates the need for a daily commute to an office. For example, due to COVID lockdowns, I'm now working from home and I save over 2 hours per day by not having to commute to my office. This extra time can be used for other things, such as spending more time with family, exercising, or even taking on a new hobby. When to use a paragraph with a specific topic sentence. A specific topic sentence is crucial in IELTS essays where the question format directly solicits the writer's opinion on a clear, singular aspect. These are typically found in agree or disagree and do the advantages outweigh the disadvantages types of essays. 1. Agree, disagree essays. These prompts ask the writer to take a stand on a given statement and support their viewpoint throughout the essay. A specific topic sentence here serves to unequivocally state the writer's agreement or disagreement, setting a focused tone for the arguments that follow. For instance, if the statement is, governments should tax private car owners heavily and use the money to improve public transportation, a specific topic sentence might be, I strongly agree that heavier taxes on private car owners are essential for enhancing public transport systems. 2. Advantages, disadvantages, outweigh. Essays. In this type of question, the writer is asked to evaluate whether the advantages of a situation outweigh the disadvantages or vice versa. A specific topic sentence in this context clearly outlines the writer's perspective on the balance between the pros and cons, such as, the advantages of implementing renewable energy sources significantly outweigh the disadvantages. These essay types benefit distinctly from specific topic sentences because they demand a straightforward, assertive response that guides the entire paragraph. Paragraphs with two main ideas use a general topic sentence. In contrast, a general topic sentence introduces the topic broadly, hinting at multiple ideas that will be discussed in the paragraph. This type is suited for complex discussions where the paragraph needs to cover several aspects of a topic. Characteristics. 1. Breadth. Sets a broader scope for discussion, suitable for paragraphs that need to address multiple related ideas. 2. Flexibility. Allows for a more nuanced exploration of the topic within a single paragraph. Example. For a paragraph on the benefits of working from home, the topic sentence might be, "There are two main benefits of working from home." The paragraph would then go on to discuss various challenges such as lack of proper workspace, distractions, and difficulty in team communication. Advantages. Comprehensiveness enables the paragraph to cover multiple dimensions of a topic, providing a richer analysis. Engagement keeps the reader engaged with a multifaceted exploration of issues. Here's how to effectively develop a paragraph from a general topic sentence. Start with a general topic sentence. Begin the paragraph with a general topic sentence that introduces the theme or overall focus but doesn't specify a single focused argument. This allows room to explore multiple facets of the topic in detail throughout the paragraph. Example, topic sentence. There are two main benefits of working from home. Introduce and develop the first point. Begin by introducing the first benefit and expand on it with detailed explanations and examples. This methodical development helps to firmly establish each point before moving to the next. First point, introduction and development. The first of these is that this work mode is more flexible. If someone works from home, they can make their own schedule, unlike being tied to office hours in a traditional job. For instance, I work online building websites and often work at night because I find this is the best time I can concentrate. Introduce and develop the second point. After fully addressing the first point, transition smoothly to the second benefit. As with the first, provide detailed explanations and real-world examples to substantiate this point. Second point, introduction and development. Furthermore, it saves a lot of time. The reason for this is that less time is wasted in traffic to go to an office. Therefore, there is more time for non-work activities. When to use a paragraph with a general topic sentence. General topic sentences should be used in all IELTS essays except for the opinion-only essays. They allow a broad overview or multiple perspectives. This approach allows for a comprehensive exploration within each paragraph. Appropriate context for general topic sentences. 1. Discussion. Essays, when multiple views or solutions are to be considered, a general topic sentence introduces the overarching topic or question, facilitating an inclusive examination of each perspective. 2. Problem-solution essays. These essays often require discussing several related problems and their possible solutions. Starting with a general topic sentence allows the writer to sequentially address each issue and corresponding resolution without the constraints of a narrowly focused introduction. 3. Comparative essays and others. Essays that compare different ideas or explore several aspects of a topic also benefit from a general topic sentence, as it sets the stage for a nuanced discussion that unfolds progressively throughout the paragraph. Conclusion. For IELTS essays that specifically ask for an opinion on a singular issue, such as agree or disagree and do the advantages outweigh the disadvantages, a specific topic sentence is essential for articulating a clear and concise stance. This precision helps in structuring the paragraph with focused arguments and coherent support. In contrast, general topic sentences are preferable for broader discussions in other types of essays, where flexibility in the scope of exploration is necessary. This strategic use of different types of topic sentences optimizes clarity and effectiveness in IELTS essay writing.